Want a personalized email address on your iPhone? You can easily create an iCloud mail account, and if you have iCloud Plus, even set up a custom domain. Here's how to get started. First, open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID name at the top of the screen. Next, tap iCloud. Under Saved to iCloud, tap Mail. If this is your first time setting it up, you'll see the email setup screen. Enter your preferred iCloud email address or choose one of the suggested options. Tap Continue, then review the prompt and tap Confirm Email Address. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone creates your new iCloud Mail account. Once you see the confirmation message, tap Done. Your new iCloud email is now ready to use for sending and receiving messages across your Apple devices. You can turn this feature on or off if needed. Just return to your iCloud account's mail settings and then toggle switch next to Use on this iPhone. Alternatively, you can access and manage these settings through the Settings app. Just go to Settings, iCloud, and then tap Mail under the Saved to iCloud section. From there, you can turn the feature on or off using the Use on this iPhone toggle and manage other mail settings. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up your email, give it a like and check out more iPhone tips to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick tech tutorials similar to this one.